Ando ma NNDC besa ni korido nyamna gi jogo ma Owal kende kaka delegates mago eko mag duond od bura no indo. Ja ohala no sani ndio sebedo akoro ne rakre mar liche hinya mar mondo mikoro odhi ochung kod migo Israel Amolo Odinga e wechego eko mag yiero mag duond od bura no indo mabende no dwaro mondo mikoro kaw tiko ma jachung kaka jatelo maduond od bura no mondo mi obed kaka bende jatelo ma piny Kenya kokadho e ODM. Mbadi ne onyise mar mondo mikoro lu yorego eko mag duond od bura no ma mondo mikoro ka en gi ywagruok moro amora mondo winjo ywagruok ne e kinde ma owinjore.
You know, Wanjigi, I really don't think there's anything to say about him. He is a member of ODM, I know. There are internal mechanisms of solving disputes, and that is provided in law. If he has issues, he should follow the due process of the law. The matter is in court, so I don't want to talk much about it. I know I got, I think, some letter, a copy of a letter I think addressed to me regarding his concerns. But first, we are considering those concerns alongside other concerns from other members, because he's basically an ordinary member of the party. He's not a delegate as far as I'm concerned, so he may not even attend Kasarani unless I'm corrected. So, but he can, any member, our constitution provides that any member who has concerns would raise them with the party. If you want something to be included in the order of the day or as agenda item, you can propose it to the National Executive Committee through the chairman, and then the chairman will take it to the NEC for consideration. Then NEC processes it to National Governing Council. If NEC has not approved it, then your agenda would not be included in the agenda of the day.